Good morning, Utterback Unicorns. Today is Thursday, February 4th, 2021. Miss Sanders here in the house, in the Utterback house, raising up the house just to say hello and greetings from your home site. Hope everybody's having a great week thus far. It has been a very busy week around these parts. We are preparing for parent teacher conferences. Your teachers, Mr. Rodriguez and myself, all of our support staff, getting ready for parent teacher conferences next week. And even though they're through Zoom, we are really ramping up and trying to get in touch with parents that we need to speak with. Okay. Couple of reminders. One, this Saturday is our honor roll event for those students that have received an honor roll certification for semester one. Remember, we're in semester two, quarter three. But so we're honoring that from quarter one, I'm sorry, semester one, which includes quarter one and quarter two. So if you were a straight A student or an AB student, you should have received an invitation from me by now or Mr. Rodriguez. I still do have one batch of students left to invite, and so they will be officially invited as of today. So continue to check your emails, and if you're concerned because you haven't received an email, you can email me and I will try to get back to you and let you know if you qualified, okay? But we are sending out email invites to you and your parents. So check the emails, okay? This is a very important week, and I apologize for not refreshing all of our memories about this on Monday, but this week is National School Counselors Week. Yay, Miss Douglas, our favorite school counselor. Thank you for being so wonderful, great, and supportive. We do appreciate all of your efforts. And in the spirit of counseling and support, Miss Douglas worked with the student council to come up with a theme week this week. And so I hope you all have been participating in that. We have 2 days left. Today is one of those days. It is college background or college hat or college t-shirt day. That's today. Okay, so if you have your favorite college or a college you want to go to, just change your background. And you get to be entered into a raffle because, let's see. Yeah, there are raffles for movie day, for an assignment pass, or having your lowest assignment moved up a grade. So teachers, please send a screenshot to Miss Douglas showing participation each day with your class. And the class that has the most participation will get a prize too. So teachers, you're in there as well. So please participate. And then tomorrow is Unicorn Pride Day. So you can have a blue and white, wear your blue and white, wear your Utterback logo, put a unicorn in the background of your screen, on your clothes. And so that's how you can be entered in to win the raffle. Okay. So again, thank you, Miss Douglas, for being an incredible support. If you all could maybe even just shoot Miss Douglas a thank you for everything that you've done and supporting me, I think that would probably go further than anything at this point. It's just always good to hear the impact and the presence that you have on campus or with students. So reach out to Miss Douglas, okay? Thank you for everything that you do. So, in continuation of the Black History Month that we talked about on Monday, we know that February is Black History Month. I do have a Black History Challenge, okay? And I'm giving out big money, big money, big money, as big money as I can afford, okay? So, we're giving out two $50 gift cards to a to two students who complete the challenge. And so completing the challenge is like this. I have just sent your advisory teachers a list of radical Black leaders. And I will say that this is a very personal list to Miss Sanders. You're kind of getting to know me through my idols. And so this list is a list of Black radical leaders that have inspired your principal. I just thought, why not? I've been wanting to create this list for a while. It is not an extensive list. It's kind of what I could create in the short amount of downtime that I had. But I would say that everyone on this list has impacted my self-esteem, my self-worth, my determination to succeed. And so I am so grateful to be sharing this list with you. So thank you everyone for participating in advance. Here's the requirement. You have to do some research. I'm asking you to find 10 fun facts about this radical Black leader, or there is one group on there, the Mahoney Female Warriors of Benin are on there. And so I really tried to pick a span of women and men, and there's artists on there, there's writers, there's activists, there are LGBTQ activists on there as well. So I tried to do a gambit. So please choose something that you think you might, someone either you don't know, a name that you think sounds interesting, or a topic that you find fascinating. I tried to give you as much information as you can. And so again, your advisory teacher has that list of leaders you can choose from. I want to be specific. I wanted to kind of control who you guys are researching a little bit. So the list is presented as present. Your advisory teacher has that. And then the Microsoft Forms to complete the challenge is also with your advisory teachers, okay? So again, you're just finding 10 fun facts about your radical Black leader. And then you're also doing a little mini reflection at the end. If you don't have all components of the form completed, you are not going to be entered into the raffle. So only students who are entered into the raffle will be, or who complete the form will be entered into the raffle. I'm going to open this up. And so like, if you want to choose more than one person, you can have multiple entries into this raffle to win this $50. I will announce the winners of the raffle on March 1st, Monday, March 1st. So you all have ample enough time, at least 3.5 weeks, to get this research. It's a research Black History challenge. And so one of the things I really want you all to pay attention to is that you are pulling information from credible sources. And I put a little note in my forms around what a credible source is, okay? So typically it's a .edu, a .org. .coms, of course, can be credible, but it does depend on who the author is and if they are a esteemed peer in their group and thought of to be an expert in that field. Okay, so please avoid opinions about your leaders. It's really, it's fun facts, right? So the difference between fact and opinion is a fact can be proven, and opinion is someone's personal thoughts. So we want to hear facts in those forms. I will be reviewing these every weekend. If you list an opinion, that kind of takes you out of the raffle. So I really want us to be very particular about that. I also do ask that you list some of your sources in the form, okay? So that's the challenge. This is, again, National School Counselors Week. And so lots going on. I hope to see many of you on Saturday to celebrate. And again, it is just a quick drive through. It's not long at all. It's from 10 to 12 on Saturday. And we'll be out there with our bells and whistles and good music playing to celebrate you. We'll just hand you your certificates, give you an Air 5, and send you on your way to enjoy your weekends, okay? All right, everyone, have a great rest of your week. Remember, next week is very important. Parent conferences. We have 2 half days next week, Thursday and Friday. Your teachers also do have that schedule as well. I will be sending that out to your parents as a reminder, okay? All right, everyone, take care.